In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful AI tools that are predicted to replace entire job categories and what this means for the future of work. Meet ChatGPT, one of the most talked about AI tools of our time. From drafting blog posts and business reports to debugging code and writing entire video scripts, ChatGPT is reshaping how work gets done. In real-world settings, companies now use ChatGPT to handle customer service chats, automate copywriting, and even generate technical documentation. This level of automation means jobs in customer support are at risk of being replaced. Jobs in writing are at risk of being replaced. Jobs in coding are at risk of being replaced. As the technology improves, the line between human and AI-generated work continues to blur. Next up are 2 groundbreaking tools in the world of visual creativity: MidJourney, Stable Diffusion. These AI image generators are revolutionizing how we produce visuals. Imagine typing a simple description and within seconds receiving a detailed logo, a polished product mock-up, a breathtaking piece of digital art. Tasks that once demanded hours of a graphic designer's time can now be completed instantly and for a fraction of the price. This shift is sending shockwaves through the design industry, advertising industry, digital art industry, where speed and cost efficiency are becoming the new standard. As AI-generated art becomes more common, the roles of traditional graphic designers and illustrators are being challenged. The creative process is evolving, and the future of design is being rewritten by artificial intelligence. Third is Synthesia, a revolutionary tool that's transforming video production. With Synthesia, AI avatars generate professional videos featuring lifelike presenters, all without the need for cameras, actors, studios. Imagine producing training modules, marketing ads, entire news segments just by typing your script. As these hyper-realistic AI presenters advance, the lines between human and artificial hosts blur. This signals a major shift on camera roles, like actors. Presenters are now at risk of being replaced by AI. The future of video creation is being automated and the possibilities are only expanding. Visual. Synthesia avatar delivering a presentation, visual quick shots of a camera crew setting up equipment, visual seamless transition to an AI presenter replacing video presenters. Fourth, meet Jasper AI, a game changer for marketers everywhere. With Jasper, you can instantly create persuasive ad copy, compelling emails, high-converting website content, all at the click of a button. Major companies are using Jasper. Startups are using Jasper to streamline marketing campaigns, reducing their reliance on traditional copywriters. For small businesses, this means less outsourcing and more control as AI-powered content becomes the new norm. As Jasper continues to evolve, the role of human marketers and copywriters is rapidly shifting. The future of marketing is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. And finally, let's talk about Pictory AI and InVideo AI. These cutting-edge tools take plain text and transform it into fully edited videos, stock footage, AI voiceovers, subtitles almost instantly. With just a simple script, you can generate a professional-looking video in minutes, no editing skills required. Entry-level video editors and content creators are already feeling the impact as automation streamlines the entire production process. In fact, some YouTube channels are now run almost entirely by AI from script to screen. As these tools continue to evolve, the role of traditional video editing is quickly being replaced by smart, efficient AI solutions. These 5 AI tools are powerful, and they're changing the job market faster than most people realize. While AI will replace certain jobs, it will also create brand new opportunities for those who learn how to use it. The future of work is all about adaptation. Embracing new technology and finding ways to grow along. While AI will replace certain jobs, it will also create brand new opportunities for those who learn how to use it. What do you think? Are you excited or concerned about the future of work? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on AI and future technology.